Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to set a category for an item that may or may not have been categorized. We'll start off by receiving a printer. In this example we're going to type in 4200 DTN. You could see under the categories section on the right that there has not been a category preset. In order to set the category, we'll hit the Update Master Item button. This will open up the modal box. We'll start off by going to Categories, going down to the search box, typing in printers and hitting Enter. Once we find the correct category, we will select that specific category. You also have the option to select child categories. So in case you're tied into the e-commerce integration, if you selected laser printers and let's just say thermal printers, your item would be pushed to all three categories. The importance of the primary checkbox is whatever the primary category that's preset, that will automatically correspond to this specific attribute set. So that comes into play potentially if you're going to set this maybe in, category more. It most likely everything under category more would be preset to maybe a general attribute set rather than the printers. So that's why it's important to pre-select the primary checkbox under this specific category set.